From now on, I will explain how to install Backend.AI. Backend.AI recommends installing Linux Ubuntu 22.04 version. macOS installation files are also distributed but not recommended as they may not install depending on personal environments. Windows OS installation is not officially supported. When using Windows, you need to use virtual environments tools like VirtualBox. Backend.AI uses Docker for container management. Docker and Docker Compose installation is required. NVIDIA CUDA driver must be installed to utilize GPU. If setting up Backend.AI development environment, PyEnv and PyEnv Virtual ENV installation is needed as various Python versions are used. Git LFS installation is required for managing large file, and PANS installation is needed for code package management. Connect the remote terminal for installation. Run the NVIDIA SMI command to check if the NVIDIA CUDA driver is installed. If the follow screen appears, the NVIDIA GPU driver is properly installed. Installing Docker by referring to Docker's documentation page. For Debian-based Linux like Ubuntu, installing use the apt command. First, set up the apt repository for Docker installation. Once the repository is set up, install Docker. After installation, start the Docker service. Use the docker ps command to check if Docker is running. If permission issue occur, add user to the Docker group for permissions. System restart is required after executing the command. Now Docker has been installed successfully. You can download the installation file for your OS from the download page on the Backend.AI website. Downloadable file can also be found in the release list of the Backend.AI repository on GitHub. Download the installation file, use the wget command. Once downloaded, change the file permission for execution, then run installation using the install command. Move with the keyboard arrow key and select the second option, package installation. All installation process proceed automatically. It downloads necessary packages and the Docker images, extracts, and installs them. When installation is complete, an install report is displayed. Now leave the installation completion screen and open new terminal to continue the installation. In the new terminal, use the docker ps command to check the installation Docker containers. If PostgreSQL, etcd, and Redis are running, it's successfully installed. A new directory named Backend.AI has been created under the home path. Move to the created Backend.AI directory. Now refer the installation completion terminal and run web server, manager, agent, storage proxy, local proxy, respectively. Each component should be run in new terminal, using tools like tmux to prevent termination. After running all 5 components, you can access the web page at port 8090 of the installed address. Login using initially provided admin ID and password.